This is the FNIRSI HS-02A 100 watt portable soldering iron kit. Very nice. The company sent me this product for review, but everything I say in this video is my own opinion. And my opinion is, nice looking kit. Comes in this very nice looking packaging right here, and you get a little accessories kit inside of here. Inside the package, you're going to get this molded case, and the molded case holds the soldering iron pen itself. It holds a tip. It holds a USB Type-C to DC connector, and there's a little space right here for this sponge and little kickstand to cool it off. It comes with this power block that can deliver up to 100 watts into the tip. The adjustable temperature range on here goes from 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. You can adjust it manually, or you can use one of the 3 presets, and I'll show you how to do that. Also comes with this style of plug that you can snap into place and slide in and off if you want to. Comes with about a 4-foot long, very nice cable right here. It's USB Type-C on either end of here. You're just going to plug it in right here. You can also use this cable to update the firmware on there if you need to. We've got 2 Type-C inputs and a Type-A input. Inside of here, you get this sort of an instruction card, but right here is a QR code. You hit this QR code and it takes you to the site, and you can download the manual for it right here, which I suggest doing. It's a really nice feeling metal soldering iron, super lightweight. And with this rubber grip on here, for me anyway, it makes it super easy to control. It's very ergonomic feeling. With the cover on it, we're looking at about 7 inches long. You remove the cover and you're looking at about 5 inches long. And with a tip in it, it is about 6 3/4 inches long. You can see it here in comparison to a regular pen. Also with this full kit, you get 6 different tips, and they each come in their own little cases right here. Just very nice. They just pull out of here, and you can see they're easy to set back inside of there when you're done with them. If you're like me, you're probably only going to use a few of them. This slightly larger conical tip's probably going to be my favorite, and we've got a couple of different blade tips on here. You can see we've got a chisel tip, a smaller blade tip, a larger blade style tip, and a couple of different smaller precision conical tips on here. So you're pretty much covered from some very precision work up to some more heavy duty work. You plug it in like that, and it powers up. So in order to get into the settings here, you press and hold these 2 buttons at the same time, and you can generally do that with 1 finger. Brings you into the settings, and you can go through each of them by using the arrow buttons, obviously. So when you find the one you want, so here's the sleep settings right here. If you wanted to change that, you could press OK again and use arrow up or arrow down. I'm going to leave it at 5 minutes. Press and hold the OK button to get back out. When you're in the sleep setting, also down here is the sleep temperature, so you can set it to whatever temperature you want it to sleep at. I've got it set at 212 degrees Fahrenheit right now, but again, you could press the OK button and set that to whatever you want. Standby time, when it'll go into standby mode. If we go into the handle set, right here you can see it bouncing from 1, 2, and 3. It's got 3 different presets on here, which is pretty cool. Easy to change. You just press the OK button, you pick the one you want, and you use the arrow buttons to change it to whatever temperature you want. You can change the voltage from 9 volt, 12 volt, 15 volts, or 20 volts. I'm going to leave it on 20. You can change the power all the way from 10% to 100%. Right now, I've currently got it at about 85%. And if you go into the system set right here, you can change the language. I think it's just English and Chinese. You can change the units from Fahrenheit to Celsius if you like. You can turn this beeping off if you want right here. I'm going to leave it on. Change the brightness of the screen from 1 to 10. You can do a firmware update right here, and you can actually factory reset everything if you want to start over again. And you can change the hand mode, which is I like because I'm left-handed, so I'm going to change this to left-handed right now. And you can see the screen flips upside down. So here we go. Perfect for me, lefty. Inside of here in the handle set, you can change how many degrees you want it to jump every time you press the up and down button. Right now I've got it set on 10 degrees. Press the OK button to bounce in between your 1, 2, or 3 sets. It's super easy to 10 wire too. Very nice. Perfect for everything I need around the shop. When you're done, shut it off, just throw it in the little kickstand here. Or if you want to, you can just unplug it at this point and let it cool down. There you go, the FNIRSI HS-02A. Very nice. Love the way it feels in my hand. Easy to use, like the presets on it for stuff that I'm normally going to do. I love it. Very nice.